And welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can crossplay with your friends in Skate 4, like especially with Xbox Friends. So what you'll need to do is press the start button, here go to the social and spectate, here use LB and RB to find search, and here you'll need to type a username or ID. Here you can enter EA username or just Xbox ID and you'll find a friend, and your friend here in the requests will find your request, and after your friend will accept the request you will be able to see them right here in the friends, and you'll be able to invite them into your party. So that's pretty much it. That's how I play with your friends in Skate 4. Thank you guys and see you in the next one.